5 easy flight tricks that'll save you time, stress, and delays. Flying soon? Want to avoid delays, bad seats, and those unexpected travel headaches? You're in the right place. Welcome to Airport Survival Guide, your travel wingman with tips that make flying smooth and stress-free. Today we're revealing 5 easy airline tricks that seasoned travelers use, but most people don't even know about. Let's get you one step ahead before you even reach the gate. Let's jump in. Number 1, check the flight's history before you fly. Did you know your flight has a track record? Yep, just like people. Using FlightAware, you can check whether your flight usually leaves on time or if it's a habitual latecomer. Just look up your flight number, scroll to past flights, and voila, real departure and arrival times from recent days. Why does this matter? Because if your flight often runs late, you might want to rethink that 45-minute layover. On the flip side, if it's always on time, you can chill a little. Pro tip, scroll down and hit view more flight history to get the full picture. Number 2, want to know why flights get delayed? Let's bust a myth. Most people think delays equal sign bad weather, but in 2024, only 0.8% of delays in the US were weather related. Want to guess the bigger culprit? Late arriving aircraft, a whopping 7.5% of all delays. Where do you find this info? Head over to the US Bureau of Transportation Statistics and dive into the numbers. You can even filter by your airport or airline. Knowledge is power and it's free. Number 3, track your plane's previous flight. Ever stared at the gate wondering, oh, where is my plane? FlightAware saves the day again. Just search your flight and click on, where's my plane now? Or track inbound plane. You'll instantly see whether your aircraft is still midair or stuck at another airport. No more guessing, no more false hope. Number 4, find direct flights from multiple airports. Live near a few airports? You might be sitting on a travel goldmine. Sites like Flight Connections and Direct Flights let you see every non-stop route from any airport. This can help you avoid unnecessary connections, even change your entire travel strategy. Example, my sister in Buffalo drives to Toronto for flights. More direct routes, fewer headaches, just a heads up. Direct flight sometimes shows routes that are no longer active, so always double check with the airline. Number 5, don't get tricked by seat selection. Paid extra for a seat? Don't get burned. Like some premium seats, especially emergency exit or bulkhead rows, can lack legroom or be next to loud areas. Use Seat Guru to see the good, the bad, and the downright uncomfortable. Plug in your flight number and aircraft model to get the seat map with all the insider notes. Just remember, if you check too far in advance, you might get info for the wrong plane type, so time it right. Now you've got the tools to fly smarter, not harder. Before your next trip, don't just pack your bags, pack these 5 tricks with you. Trust me, they'll save you time, stress, and maybe even money. Like this video if you learned something new, subscribe for weekly survival tips in the sky, and let us know in the comments what's your go-to airport hack. Thanks for flying with Airport Survival Guide. See you at the gate.